If you guys have searched high and low on the internet for the best pickle recipe ever, stop searching because you found it. These are literally the best dill pickles ever. And if you're interested in making these at home, check this out because I'm gonna make them right here, right now. So we're going to be starting off with 3 pounds of small pickling cucumbers. We're gonna cut them lengthwise into quarters to make spears. We are going to combine our water, vinegar, sugar, and pickling salt. Bring it to a boil, stirring every now and then just to make sure the salt and sugar are all dissolved. Next, we're gonna pack our cucumber spears into hot sterilized canning jars. 1 tablespoon of dill seeds to each jar, add a couple sprigs of fresh dill. Pour the hot vinegar mixture over your cucumbers, leaving about a 1/2 inch headspace. Wipe your jar rims to make sure they're clean, add your lids, pop them in the fridge. And that's it, you're done. You've got 6 jars of fridge pickles that'll last you about a month. Fridge pickles are my favorite pickles, but this recipe is super versatile, so if you want to can it, we have directions for that too. We also have options for hot spicy pickles and even sweet pickles. Thanks for hanging out with me on my pickle adventure, and I'll see you guys next time.